For all of human history, it has hung in our sky, a silent silver guardian, the subject of myths, poetry, and our first steps into the cosmos. But we only ever see one face. What about the other side? The dark side of the moon. For decades, it has been the subject of our wildest speculations, a realm of hidden alien bases, secret government projects, and ancient cosmic mysteries. It's a place shielded from our view, a permanent secret kept just out of sight. But what is really hiding on the side of the moon, we can never see. The truth is stranger and more fascinating than any conspiracy theory. Part 1. Busting the biggest myth. Dark versus far. First, we need to correct the most common misconception. The dark side of the moon is a brilliant but misleading name. It is not permanently dark. A more accurate name is the far side. The reason it's colloquially known as the dark side is because it is forever hidden from our sight, making it dark in the sense of being unknown. The far side goes through the exact same cycle of day and night as the near side we see. Each lunar day lasts about 29.5 Earth days. This means the far side experiences roughly 2 weeks of direct, harsh sunlight followed by 2 weeks of frigid darkness, just like the near side. In fact, when we see a new moon, that is, when the near side is completely dark to us, the far side is fully illuminated, experiencing what would be its full moon. So why do we only ever see one face? The answer is a fascinating cosmic dance called tidal locking. Early in its history, the Earth's powerful gravity tugged on the young, partially molten moon, slowing its rotation. Over millions of years, this gravitational pull locked the moon's rotation to its orbit. The result is that the moon now rotates on its axis at the exact same speed that it revolves around the Earth. For every one trip it makes around us, it completes exactly one spin. This perfect synchronization keeps the same hemisphere perpetually turned toward us, while the far side remains forever turned away. Part 2. A Tale of Two Moons. What's actually there? So, if it's not always dark, what does the far side look like? Thanks to robotic probes, we know it is a dramatically different world from the one we are used to. It's almost like looking at a different celestial body entirely. The near side, the face we see, is characterized by vast, dark, smooth plains called Maria. These are ancient volcanic basins formed by massive lava flows billions of years ago. They are what create the familiar man in the moon pattern. The far side is almost completely devoid of these large Maria. Instead, it is a rugged, brutal, and ancient landscape, almost entirely covered in craters. It is one of the most heavily cratered surfaces in the entire solar system. Craters are piled on top of craters, creating a chaotic and battered terrain. The lunar crust on the far side is also significantly thicker than on the near side. Scientists believe this stark difference is a remnant of the moon's violent birth. The leading theory, the giant impact hypothesis, suggests the moon formed from debris ejected after a Mars-sized object collided with the early Earth. When the moon solidified, the near side was still facing the intensely hot, molten Earth. This radiant heat kept the near side's crust thinner and more volcanically active, allowing magma to well up and form the Maria. The far side, shielded from Earth's heat, cooled faster, forming a thicker, more rigid crust that was not as easily punctured by magma flows. It simply preserved its ancient, battered surface, including one of the largest and oldest impact craters in the solar system, the South Pole Aitken Basin, a colossal crater stretching 2,500 kilometers across. Part 3. The Conspiracy Theories. What could be hidden? The fact that the far side is permanently hidden from Earth has made it the perfect blank canvas for conspiracy theories. If you wanted to hide something from the prying eyes of humanity, what better place could there be? The most popular theory is that of a hidden alien base. The idea is that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization uses the far side as a staging ground or observation post, allowing them to monitor Earth without being detected by our telescopes. Another common theory is a secret human base built by the US, Russia, or China for clandestine military or scientific purposes. Some theories go even further, suggesting the far side hides ancient ruins, dormant spacecraft, or monoliths left by a precursor civilization. While compelling, these ideas crumble under the immense logistical and physical challenges. Building anything on the moon is incredibly difficult and expensive. Building a massive secret base on the far side, without any of the thousands of amateur and professional astronomers on Earth, detecting the constant stream of supply rockets needed to build and maintain it, is practically impossible. Part 4. Lifting the Veil, the real exploration. The biggest challenge to exploring the far side isn't getting there. It's communicating from there. The bulk of the moon itself blocks all direct radio signals from Earth, creating a radio shadow. For decades, we could only get glimpses from orbiters that flew overhead. That all changed in January 2019. China's National Space Administration achieved a historic first. Their Change 4 mission successfully performed the first ever soft landing on the lunar far side. To solve the communication problem, they first placed a relay satellite in a special orbit beyond the moon. This satellite, named Kakao, acts as a mirror for radio signals, bouncing communications between the lander on the surface and mission control on Earth. The Change 4 lander and its rover, U-22, have sent back stunning high-resolution images and data. And what did they find? No alien bases, no secret installations. They found a world of craters, dust, and fascinatingly diverse rock compositions within the South Pole Aitken Basin. We have seen the dark side, and it is a world of stark, beautiful, and natural geology. Part 5. The real secret the moon is hiding. The truth of the far side is ultimately more exciting than any fiction. The real secret it's hiding isn't aliens. It's an unprecedented opportunity for science. The same radio shadow that makes communication difficult makes the far side the most radio-quiet location in the inner solar system. Here on Earth, our radios, cell phones, and televisions create a deafening roar of electromagnetic noise that drowns out the faintest signals from the cosmos. The far side is permanently shielded from this noise. It is the ultimate listening post. Astronomers dream of building a vast radio telescope there, one that could listen to the faint whispers from the cosmic dawn, the era just after the Big Bang when the very first stars were forming. The far side isn't hiding extraterrestrials. It's hiding the secrets of our own universe's birth. The dark side of the moon is a powerful myth, but the reality of the far side is even more compelling. It is not a place of perpetual darkness, but a rugged, ancient world with a story to tell about our solar system's violent past. The compelling conspiracies of hidden bases, while fun to imagine, are replaced by the real-world achievement of robotic exploration. And the true secret it holds is not an alien presence, but a pristine window into the origins of our cosmos. The far side of the moon is not a place to fear what might be hiding there, but a place to be excited about what we might discover next.